How to reset Roblox password through support ticket. Click on more at the bottom right of the screen. Click on help and safety by scrolling all the way down. Click on help at the top of your screen. And once you're in this page, you want to scroll all the way down until you see the option called I forgot my password and click on it. Over here, scroll all the way down until you see the option still having trouble. And under there, you can see customer support in blue color. Click on it. Once you are on this page, click on login and log in into your Roblox account. Once you log in into your account, click on continue in browser at the bottom. Now over here, whatever you did in the app, do the same thing again. Click on the setting icon at the top, click on help and safety, click on help center at the top, scroll all the way down and click on I forgot my password. Scroll all the way down and click on the option called customer support under still having problem. Then over here, your ticket will open up. Over here, fill this form up completely and click on continue. And a customer support ticket will be issued under how to reset your password. And then Roblox will send you their solution on your email. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.